Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I'm going to show you how you guys can change the language in your Samsung Galaxy tablets. And as you can see in front of me, I have is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. But this will work on any tablet guys. So first of all, just go into the main screen and then you can see the settings option. Go into the settings option, you see this wheel icon, just click on it, and then when you enter into the settings option, you can see a menu like this. You have to scroll a little down, and when you scroll a little down, you will see an option. Just scroll more down and you can see the option general management. And if you see a different language, but you can remember this with the three lines icon. You can see here the three line icons. Just click on it, and when you go into this general management, there is a very first option, language and input. You have to just click on it, and when you click on it, again there is a first option, language guys. You have to click on this one. So when you open this, there is some notification came, just press this OK, and then you can see here there are three different languages, but I can add more languages by add language option. So you can see here all languages are here, so you can select whichever language you like to select guys. There is all languages guys. You can see here, I scroll down, there are so many languages. You can select any language. For example, I select this language and when I click on it, it's ask me set as default or keep current. So for example, if I want to default, set as default, I press it, set as default, and then press OK. So now this language has been added, and this language is the now the main language of my tablet guys. You can see here. And if I want to change this language, again I go into settings option. If you see this icon, then scroll down, and then you can see this icon. I will go back, I mistakenly press a different icon. You can see here this setting and the general management option. The first option then is the language option, then again the first option, which is the language option. And you can see here, press this OK, and then you can see here there the language, these are languages are add. You can also scroll down these languages to bring it on top. For example, I bring English on the top, and then I press this OK button, and then again OK, and now English has been set as the default language of my tablet guys. You can see here, now English is the default language. So again, if I want to change, again you can go into the settings and then go into the general management option, and then very first option, language and input, and then again language. And you can see here all the languages are here. You can add more languages, or you can scroll one of these languages on the top, and the language will be selected as a default language automatically. For example, if you want to bring it down, you can bring it down, and you can bring it up, whichever language you want. Now I do it as apply, okay, and then English United States is has been added to my tablet as a default language guys. So this is how you guys can do it. You can also scroll other languages to second, third and fourth option, and you can also bring it on the top position. And if you want to add, you can add from here whatever language you want. For example, I add this language. For example, I add this language, and then I press as set as default, two options, set as default, keep current. I press now keep current, but the language has been added. You can see here this language has been added. Now if you want, you can just hold it and scroll it to the top, and then this one will be selected as your default language. And then when you press apply, and then OK, and then this language has been selected as your default language. So guys, I hope you like the video, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much guys.